Good morning. This video is only going to be special to a certain handful of people, but on my road trip from southern to northern Indiana, I stopped at in my college town at St. Joseph's College in Rensselaer, and it's, as far as I understand, the college closed a handful of years ago, and I think they've tried to do some revival projects, but I don't know what state it's in, and I'm gonna go drive and walk around campus. I'm so excited. I came here once and it was at night, and every roadway was blocked or closed, and so it was very eerie, and so I did not get out because I was scared because the place was haunted in the first place. And so I'm here in the daylight, and I'm gonna take us for a little tour. So if you know St. Joseph's College, if this is some St. Joseph's College Puma nostalgia for you, I'm happy to bring it to you. Okay, so far, the rain just started. So there's that. The rain just started. And I see vehicles driving onto campus. No, that road is closed. We'll see. We'll see. I definitely was feeling optimistic. And then the clouds rolled in, which I'm sure you saw them in that first clip, but I was like, oh, look, it's holding out for us. That gate is open, that gate is not. I don't think I'm gonna let the rain stop me. I'm definitely gonna get out and go for a little walk. But we'll see. I wonder if I'll get kicked off campus. I don't wanna have to walk across the street from Walmart. Not like that's a big deal or anything, but in the rain, I don't know how wet I wanna get. Okay. I love it here so much. Softball field. Okay, see, so this gate is open, and I do know the other gate on the other end is open, so if somebody comes to yell at me, I'm just gonna risk it for the biscuit. The hall, dining hall. We walk up those stairs. Oh, look at that, windows down. The fountain, the whispering fountain, the whispering wall. Class building. You know, I was an RA in that building. That window was my room up there, but I don't remember the name of it at this moment. That's Gallagher. Oh, you can't focus and see it. That's Gallagher. That's Hallis. Gosh, guys. It's so healing to be driving around on these streets. In fact, I'm gonna probably try to take another drive before someone yells at me to not be recording and like really appreciate. Schwederman over there. Was Aquinas right there? Is behind that street. Aquinas. Oh, this is the one that's haunted, that everybody says haunted. Forget the name of that one. Merlini! Merlini. Unspeakable acts in Merlini. Oh, yes. And here, arts and science, library. So many hours spent losing papers in the library. Honestly, if someone comes after me, I don't care at this point, but I'm guessing it's all just maintenance people. And I know this is not the best video recording because I'm just driving and recording at the same time, but hey, baseball players, baseball field, we'll try to drive by it. Okay, sports complex, rec center right here. They did multi-million dollars worth of updates and then shut down. Man, see, look at, that's that shit I'm talking about. Let's see. That's the shit I'm talking about. Like, it is falling apart over here. Damn. Because this building particularly, I'm really grateful for my healing journey because this is the birthplace of a lot of PTSD. But I love it. And then this is a new front where all those, like, newer for a lot of people, for a lot of alumni. This is a newer situation. I am getting rained on for y'all. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Where's my football players at? There's your field. And I keep trying to get views of that chapel for everybody because we know those two steeples. We know those two steeples. Piece, that statue right there, that like flame, the eternal flame, maybe, or a teardrop, I don't know. Okay, baseball. It stopped raining for us, but the wind, I don't even know if you can hear me because of the wind. I'm so happy. It's amazing. It's Knoll. I didn't remember what this one was. Yes. There's so much. It's like it all just stopped, which I'm sure it did. But damn, you can still see so much like furniture in some of the windows. Oh man, so wild. My heart. Pumas. I called it the class building. It's the core building. How could I forget? That was the core of our education. Seifert. I was an RA in Seifert. This was the men's side, that was the women's side. I just love it so much. few critters living here. Probably more than a few, I'm sure. Just hanging out on the steps of Justin. Looking at the IM field, the intramural field, where we had the freshman Olympics and ultimate frisbee. Intramural softball was over by the library, but dang. Obviously, they played football and stuff too. And then every winter, every spring, when all the snow would melt, a bunch of bottles would reveal themselves in the field. And I don't know how everyone relates, but it's really nice to just sit here and look and think about all the things. And it's kind of interesting. It's a odd benefit of it being closed is to walk around uninterrupted. There's no students, there's no teachers. I finally ran into maintenance and they're like, you can't drive around here. You gotta go. I was like, okay, bye. But can I walk? And I was thinking like, wow, just what a special place. What a special time, what a special, like pocket of land and buildings and such. But that I know when I was here, I knew it was special. I knew it was special, especially compared to like really big schools. We usually had about 12 or 1,300 kids at any given year. And I was a student, I was an athlete, so there was the day-to-day life that could easily distract you from what a special place this is. Or as a college kid, like you're consumed by what you're up to and the rules and deadlines and all that. So it's nice to be here in such a leisurely fashion, just walking around and truly appreciating the history on another level and the buildings and the land. Such a special place. So, thanks for following along on my walking journey, driving journey a little bit. It was really great to get to be here, and such an honor to like get to share with anyone who really appreciates it. So if you liked, hang out with me, stick around. Can you hear the bells? Oh, and it smells so good. The air out here is cleaner. We're surrounded by cornfields and fresh cut grass, lilacs, all the things. I up just the other day, one of my favorite smells in the world is wet mud, wet dirt. And I know that that originates from here. 5 a.m. mornings running on the track, dewy mornings, farmland all around. And we usually don't have to smell the cows, just the dirt and the mud and the grass and the trees. Such a special place. Love it and love you. Go Pumas. Involved for life. But really.